Hi there, welcome to another help video. In this video, we will be going over the social links section of the social tab. So let's begin. This is a feature that allows you to set up links to your social media accounts on your website. The links will appear on your website as icons, and they usually display at the top of your page or in the menu bar. To set them up, place your links to your social media accounts in the appropriate fields and click the Save Changes button at the bottom. I'm going to go to our demo website to show you what these look like. As you can see on the top, the corresponding icons for the social media links that we set up are displayed at the top. So if I wanted to go to our Twitter page, I would click the Twitter icon and it would take us right to it. I want to note that removing a link from a field or leaving a field blank and saving your changes will remove or leave out the icon on the website. For example, if the Facebook field is left blank, the Facebook icon will not display. I'm going to quickly go back to our demo website because I want to note that adding these links will not add widgets to your website. However, if you would like to add widgets for your social media profiles, please reference our help articles to do so. And that wraps up this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to visit our help center or contact customer support. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other help videos and we'll see you next time.